With the CODORD program, we're going after a long-standing problem in AI, which is the so-called knowledge authoring bottleneck. The difficulty of getting knowledge out of people's heads or from their documents, primarily in the form of natural language, in other words, English or similar kinds of languages, into the machine in a form that can be reasoned with, dealing with Deontic reasoning, using state-of-the-art logical reasoning engines. One of the difficulties for serving officers in a lot of operational situations is that the plans that they start an operation with need to be updated dynamically in a rapid fashion and yet checked for compliance with a number of different considerations.
I look at it as really a paradigm shift for us because we execute orders kind of in two different ways according to how we command and control our forces. One is kind of a traditional role of very detail-oriented command and control, and one is what we might call mission command and control, whereas detailed command and control is kind of like your checklist mentality where you're very conscious of the specific tasks that you must accomplish. Where mission command and control is more in the realm of human creativity where you have to be able to deviate if battlefield conditions change, to understand that I could potentially in the future hand over the orders generation process or part of that mission analysis and design process to an AI. I have to have as a warfighter and as a leader a high degree of confidence that my intent is going to survive kind of the telephone game that can happen from human to human when intent is passed on. I think what CODORD promises us potentially is bringing back that integration of the left brain and right brain approach that we have as human beings inherently, but we really do need in our artificial systems.
We live in an increasingly global world, and we have to understand what the laws and the ethics and the contracts and the agreements are from multiple companies, multiple countries, and so on. This arena of dealing with the deontic aspect of decision support is growing and growing and growing, and the machine can help with it, and we need help with it.